Sue, and welcome to our magazine feature article and layout walkthrough video. In this presentation, we are going to show you our magazine pages, explaining the concept of this article, walk through the major parts like the headlines, subheads, full quotes, and sidebars. And also, we will show you how we design our layout using Canva. And finally, we will explain the stylistic and linguistic decisions while we choose certain colors, fonts, layout, and writing style. This magazine focuses on the travel adventure in the Philippines, showcasing the most beautiful and meaningful places across the country. So let's begin!
For the concept of this article, we choose to feature the best places in the Philippines. We wanted our article to highlight the beauty of Philippine destinations like Palawan, Batad, Batanes, Tubataha, and Mount Pulag. The angle focuses on showing both the adventures and physical sides of traveling around the Philippines, including cultural and emotional elements such as the quiet, healing landscapes of Batanes and the historical richness of Batad rice terraces. The target audience is mainly students and young travelers who want affordable but meaningful places to visit. The purpose of this magazine is to inspire young people to explore the Philippines, appreciate local culture, and support tourism through travel.
This feature article has around 1,000 words, which organize the article into different sections, each focusing on one major destination. The first destination is El Nido, Palawan. We describe its iconic lagoons, island hopping tours, and crystal clear waters. We use a descriptive language to make readers visualize the paradise-like scenery. The second destination is Batad and Banawe rice terraces. We emphasize the terraces as ancient structures created by the Ifugao ancestors and how trekking there feels like traveling through history. Next is Batanes, a place known for its peaceful environment, rolling hills, and warm Ivatan culture. We focus on the emotional and relaxing aspect of visiting Batanes. We also included Tubataha Reefs, one of the most diving spots in the world. This part highlights underwater biodiversity and marine conservation. Lastly, we featured Mount Pulag, especially the famous Sea of Clouds and how hikers describe it as a life-changing experience.
Each section in this article includes a subheading, descriptive paragraphs, and at least one footnote to emphasize a memorable line. Now, let's move on to the text elements of this magazine. For the headline, we use the best places in the Philippines. This headline is bold and very visible, which follows the common style of travel magazines. For the sub-headline, we use Discover Mountains, Lagoons, Reefs, and Hidden Wonders across the islands. This gives readers a hint about the content and create curiosity. For the section subheadings, we keep them short and descriptive, such as El Nido, the island of dreams, Batad, the stairway to heaven, Batanes, land of gentle winds. For full thoughts, we chose sentences that are inspiring and emotional. Examples include, El Nido is where adventure meets peace. There is no Wi-Fi in Batad, but you will find a better connection. We place these full thoughts inside style text boxes to make them stand out visually.
We added several sidebar elements to make our magazine more informative and visually appealing. Some of these sidebars include travel checklists. We include items such as sunscreen, water bottle, power bank, and dry bags. These are some for adventure travelers. The second one is budget travel tips. So this sidebar gives practical advice like traveling off-season, booking local accommodation, and trying affordable local foods. The third one is best time to visit. We made a small box that tells readers when it's best to visit Palawan, Batanes, and other destinations. The fourth one is quick facts. This sidebar includes fast info about the Philippines, such as the number of islands and UNESCO sites. Sidebars makes the magazine look more professional and help break long paragraphs so readers don't feel overwhelmed.